हेलो एवरीवन, तो कैसे हो आप लोग। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं ऑप्शनल क्लास के बारे में, द फीचर विच हैज बीन एडेड इन जावा 8। एक्चुअली काफी पूछा जाता है इसके बारे में इंटरव्यूज में, तो चलो डिस्कस करते हैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा एंड समझते हैं कि ऑप्शनल क्लास क्या है, ये कौन सा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है बेसिकली। ओके, कंसिडर ऑप्शनल एज अ कंटेनर होल्डिंग नल और नॉन नल वैल्यूज। ओके, सो इफ दिस कंटेनर इज होल्डिंग नॉन नल वैल्यूज, देन optional dot if present method will return true, and if this container is having null value, in this case optional dot isEmpty method returns true. Okay, so isEmpty is kind of opposite of isPresent method. Okay, but the problem it solves is it basically optional help us to avoid null pointer exception while writing the code and also helps in writing the clean code. अब ये null pointer exception को कैसे avoid करता है उसको समझते हैं। So you see these two methods get name. Okay, so the responsibility of this method is to return the user's name if users is not null, right? Users object is not null, and if it is null, then it will be returning the unknown. So this is the traditional way of checking the users object value and then returning the unknown, right, as a string. And with the help of optional, this is how we can return the name and perform the same functionality, right? We are creating instance of optional of nullable, then passing the user object there. Now if it is not empty or if the value is present, okay, then we are returning the user's name, else we will be returning unknown value, right? So you can see, for earlier we have to write a block of code, but now we can do the same thing in a single line, right? Second method, again, I want to highlight one more thing. If the user object is null, in that case, optional will be empty and map method will be skipped, right? In that case, the next method that will be executing is or else throw. Okay. Apart from that, if you see, optional also provides so many methods which you can use, right? Like it provides or else throw. So let's say if you want to throw exception, right? If the user's name value is null, or let's say user's value is null, right? So you can also do that by calling or else throw method, and you can throw the illegal argument exception, something like this, right? So let me know in the comment section if you guys are using optional in your project or not, right?